Learning English, Grammar Fundamentals, Articles and Determiners. Welcome to our English language learning video series on grammar fundamentals. In this video, we will focus on the usage of many, much, few, and little as quantifiers. Understanding how to use these words correctly is essential for effective communication in English. So let's dive in and learn how to use them correctly. Many and much are used to express quantity, but they are used differently depending on the noun they modify. Many is used with countable nouns, which are things that can be counted individually. For example, many books, many students, or many apples. Much is used with uncountable nouns, which are things that cannot be counted individually. For example, much water, much information, or much time. Remember that when using many or much, you should also use a plural noun to match the quantity being described. Similarly, few and little are used to express a small quantity, but again, their usage depends on the type of noun. Few is used with countable nouns to indicate a small number or a scarcity. For example, few opportunities, few people, or few friends. Little is used with uncountable nouns to indicate a small amount or a lack of something. For example, little money, little time, or little experience. Just like with many and much, make sure to use a plural noun with few and an uncountable noun with little to maintain grammatical agreement. While the general rules for using these quantifiers are as mentioned, there are a few exceptions and additional tips to keep in mind. In questions and negative sentences, much and many are often replaced by a lot of or lots of. For example, do you have much time? Can become, do you have a lot of time? When expressing an affirmative statement, you can also use a great deal of or a large number of instead of much or many. For example, I have a great deal of respect for her. Remember that practice is essential to become comfortable with these quantifiers. The more you use them in context, the more natural it will become to choose the correct one. Congratulations! You have completed the section on the usage of many, much, few, and little as quantifiers. Understanding these differences will greatly improve your English language skills. Keep practicing and incorporating these quantifiers into your daily conversations to master their usage. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more videos in our Grammar Fundamentals series, and happy learning!